call?
Almost.
Okay.
So just be very vigilant about looking for traffic. We'll maintain 1,100.
1,100.
And make your right turn.
Okay.
Be right along the river edge. Actually, my first time doing this in the daytime.
Hudson traffic, UH60 1000, Intrepid, southbound.
Hudson Traffic Warrior, 1,100 southbound Alpine Tower.
It's actually back there.
Alpha 4 stop statue 400, climbing left turn, switching turn.
You just want to call it your beam or over. Lots of birds out here. Alright, 1,100. Way to the right.
Helicopter 12 o'clock.
Good, got him.
Where's my track? To the right of the tower?
It's up to you. I'd stay right over top of it or just to the left of it.
Yeah, on the 12.
Traffic did.
Here, I'll get the next call.
Okay, you got it. Next call.
Hudson traffic, UH60 800, clock southbound.
47 southbound, that's 500.
About 5 minutes, we'll switch
Long
tanks.
Range Ranger in the river at Ellis Island, Rapid, north of 1000, got the Black Hawk inside.
Traffic in sight, UH60.
So 1,100. Gotta say, I'm looking forward to this video. Multiple birds.
Hudson traffic, UH60, lady at 500B, right orbit.
Look at all that traffic in the GW.
Yeah.
Ranger clock 9, north down to 5.
Viper Warrior, GWB, 1,100 southbound.
Ooh, that was good.
That's it. That's all you gotta say. Boom! You don't have to say Hudson traffic, nothing.
Traffic 12 o'clock.
Good. Yep. Lots of tennis courts down there. Alright, I think for time's sake, we're gonna turn around prior to the Verrazano Bridge.
Okay.
So that's all the way at the very end.
Helicopters for the bridge will be Buttermilk, southbound 11. Lincoln and Holland, north 5, break 3027 mm blade, drop fuel.
We'd have to stop for the drop, come to the fuel.
For the drop, thanks. 47 backside statue, climb and left turn and switch to Newark, I'll be north of the Hudson. Up there. 17 north of the Bog, 1.1 down to 1,000, southbound. Metro 26, back to 500, left side nose.
Alright, next is the Intrepid.
Hudson traffic, UH60, departed the ladies full with southbound.
Southwest Governor, no protection path. North other traffic, south 1000.
You ready for a swap?
What's up? Yep, ready. Go pump on.
Going to the right tank.
Right tank.
We're on the right.
The pressure looks good. Off. Alright, you got the next call?
Where's Intrepid?
Yeah, Intrepid is straight ahead off to the left. Come a little more to the right.
Where's the Intrepid?
It is just about a beam these boats. Actually, yep, you can see it parked over there.
Okay.
Big ship.
Only cover to the gold launcher south.
Oh, no, there it is. It's right down there.
Got it.
Got it.
Warrior Intrepid southbound 1100.
Perfect. Like a pro.
7 Stevens, south 8.
Look how beautiful that building is.
Yeah.
I think there's a helicopter pad on top.
Yeah, it looks like it. These birds are wild.
And what's the next one? Clock?
227 to fuel.
Yeah, I see a clock, right?
A little more to the right.
UH60, 800, Arizona, southbound, negative return.
Yep, there's the clock down there.
7.
Warrior clock southbound 1100.
Now you have the tack chart pulled up. You can see exactly where to report. We're actually a little behind clock. And the next one will be Statue of Liberty.
Southbound we have bump up off the clock.
Do you want to do one orbit around the statue?
Do the Alpha, bump up
We can loop around and head back.
Okay, perfect. That sounds good.
Yeah, we don't have to go down to Verrazano.
Okay. Yeah, not missing much. Let's make one rotation and make our way northbound. So we'll make a counterclockwise turn.
Say again?
We'll make a counterclockwise turn around Statue of Liberty.
Copy that. You want to make that call?
Sure. All right.
Look at her.
Yeah. All right, big time ground reference maneuver here.
Turns around a statue.
Yeah. All right, I gotcha. Private Warrior, Statue of Liberty, 1100 orbiting. Governor's Island over there. So we're gonna stay west of that. A bit of precip here.
We head north?
Yep.
Okay, alright.
I have a warrior statue of liberty 1,120 knots.
Bye, statue.